Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of glitch on the application of Remitly app. We go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Remitly app. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search about Remitly app. And if you find update in this plus sign, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.